These are the propellers. I'm going to connect them to put them on the motor. So you have to be careful also on the spinning direction, like I mentioned in the video before. This is going to be spin in counterclockwise direction. As you can see, if you spin it, this take the air down, push it down so that the drone can fly. But otherwise it's always push the air, instead of going up, it just pushes down, so the drone just stuck on the ground, it can move. So be careful. Many people make that mistake, not to make it. As I say, counterclockwise direction, you have to be careful. Just spinning way. Sometimes they even show, you can see here, look at it closer. So counterclockwise direction. For these ones, you can see this is pushing the air in the clockwise direction, so you can see it goes like this, clockwise direction, as the other one was opposites. And make sure when you are putting your propellers on the drone that your power is off, so be careful with that one. And thank you for watching, and happy fly. Let's try for the first fly. I'm going to be careful because I didn't switch my return lane modes, because if you didn't switch that one on, it will be a problem if you take a high altitude, because you are going to lose your drone otherwise. Okay, so I'm not going to try so far.